The United States Air Force has 180 F-22 Raptors. That sounds like a lot, doesn't it? Strip away the jets and maintenance, the trainers, the test aircraft at Edwards, and the number of Raptors ready to fight tonight drops to around 120. Apply the standard mission-capable rate, and you're left with 60, maybe 70 on a good day. That is the entire American stealth shield protecting the Pacific. Meanwhile, China produced more J-20 stealth fighters last year alone than the total number of Raptors America can deploy in a crisis. The F-22 production line shut down in 2011. It will never reopen. Every Raptor lost to a training accident, metal fatigue, or combat is gone forever. There are no replacements coming. This isn't a gap, it's a chasm. And it was created by a single budget decision made in a world that no longer exists. And the number of J-20s China is building right now, it's where this story gets terrifying. Full breakdown on the channel. Subscribe to Shadowworks' new Declassified every week.